are my hello everyone. This one, this like 6-9. Let's see. Oh, hello everyone. Yeah, Kuzusangpan, welcome back to my channel. This is Shamyang. So right now I'm at one of the junctions waiting for my friend, friends to go to work. Yeah, so yeah, I thought to do to make a short video. I don't know. Literally today is Friday, end of the weekdays, and I'm excited because tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that's Saturday and Sunday, it's weekends, and I'm excited because I will have some time for myself to rest, regain the energy, then yeah, to refresh, after a tiring week. Yeah, I'm sorry to say I had tiring day, but it's not because of the heavy workload, but sometimes we feel tired mentally and exhausted, yeah. So maybe I will be, my friends are coming now, so I have to go to work. Yeah. Hello from my room, okay? My room, yeah. So morning I was vlogging, right? I was talking with you all actually. So I was waiting for my friend, and my friends reached there. We went to work. Then I couldn't vlog, so whole day I was busy. Then after office I went to town, did some shopping, and let me show you the best part of today's shopping is this one. This is the face toner. I was using some, I forgot the name, maybe I will add it somewhere here. I was using that toner, then I used it almost for a month, then it's empty now, so I brought this today, so let's do the unboxing. Actually, I was thinking to buy this serum from this toner from last month itself, but I couldn't buy because you know what, I was using another serum or toner. I don't know, maybe I will add somewhere here. So I was using that one, and I have a very bad habit where if I bring new creams or new stuff like this, I don't have patience to so I was thinking if I buy this one, then I will skip that one, right? So it's the wastage of my money also. This kind of product is very expensive actually. So I have very rough and very rashes over here, and it's very sensitive. So I was looking for a good toner and serum, but I have never found till now. And nothing suits on my face because I have blood complications, and time to time I have so many rashes over here, so it's very hard. So let's see whether it helps my skin or not. So yeah, I don't know, this is my first time using Klairs product. This is my first time I've used the green tea, Innisfree, then the Trucica, I don't know, snails products and all, but they didn't help me at all. So yeah, this is how it looks. That's how they packed. Oh, very nice, right? They have a tip over here. Yeah. Okay, then I bought this one. What's it called? This one. The beater, yeah. The electric beater, because last month I did 10 days bakery training, not for commercial, but just I'm living alone and sometimes I feel bored, and I just thought why not, I try some baking and all, I engage my time in baking and this kind of stuff. So I brought this one today. I bought this one, the electric beater. Yeah, it cost, I don't know how much it cost in your area, but I paid this one the 690, yeah, 690. And these things are mainly for baking, so I will be baking cookies and all. Maybe in my next vlog it will be more of a baking channel, I don't know, baking channel or bakery, I don't know. This is how it looks here. I paid like 6.90 for this one, and they have like 3 kinds of, I don't know what's it called. Like they have, oh my, OMG, they have four, and that's like, this is how we should insert. Maybe I have never used this one, but last time, like I've seen during bakery training, yeah, they have the like on and off switch here. Maybe like have to press here, yeah, like that. I don't know. I have, and again, like vanilla flavors, you know, for baking, making cookies and all. And I have nozzles, you know, to decorate the cakes, to decorate the cookies and all. I have this different kinds of nozzles, different shapes, and this piping bag, you know, piping bag to, you know, like to make cupcakes and all. Yeah, I bought this one. I paid this one 290 Newton 290. Then I brought baking powder. Again, I brought this one, the measuring cups and the spoons. This is the teaspoons, you know, the different size. Like it's 1/4 teaspoons here, then 1/3, 1/2. This the teaspoons and the cups for measuring. So this is the weighing scale I just got from Tempo. This is the place where to insert battery, and yeah, this is the packaging. I paid 1,100 and I just inserted the battery. So let's see how accurate this scale is. Stick on button. Okay, like 9 gram, like not 9, 0 gram. Okay, so let's see how accurate this scale is. So let's measure this one and see. Yeah, it's 500, yeah, 500 gram. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's 515, maybe due to this package. So yeah, that's all about today. It's Friday, right? Maybe I will be posting this video probably on Monday. Yeah, coming Monday. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. Keep on supporting, and you know, if you have anything to ask, or like if you have any questions or something like that, or anything you want me to, you know, talk in my next vlog, so yeah, feel free to you know, like comments in my comment section. So take care and happy weekends. See you in my next vlog. Yeah, bye bye. My creams, this is the Sang perfume. It looks dirty, right? Then it's empty right now. It's empty. I use this BB cream plus sunscreen. Then I have this Mamaearth face moisturizer. Then this is the new one which I brought. Actually, I was using this as well because now it's empty, and I'm happy like I could finally use the whole moisturizer inside this tube, because I have very bad habit, like I usually throw away and the halfway. So yeah, that's all, and